Today the weather is so cold. It's like we are in winter time. The past few days, the temperature is almost in triple digit. It started to be quite hot in the afternoon in the last 10 days. That's why my radish started to bolt. By the way, guys, hi, this is Liz again. I sowed so many vegetable seeds without regards to the spacing of the future plants. Last March, I broadcast the root crop seeds that can be harvested in 60 days or less. I watered morning and afternoon depending upon the weather to make sure to have a consistent moist soil. The radish germinated first, followed by the beets and the others. After 3 weeks, I sowed the fast maturing edible greens like the arugula, lettuce, spinach, etc. This garden bed measures 4 by 8 feet, and we have a forest of food. Made a video. The number was 203 in my playlist. That's daikon radish, turnips, another one. We got a small carrot here. Not bad size. Here is a golden beet. Another one. There were so much seedlings that I have to transplant the others in another area. Swiss chards, carrots, beets, you know what is this? Turnips or radish. The kohlrabi just started forming its head. Another beet, another kohlrabi. I used fish emulsion, alfalfa meal, and all-purpose fertilizers. The setback of planting root crops without thinning is that they cannot expand if crowded. Will I do this again? Of course, but I think I'll do it in an area where it's getting 8 hours of sunlight, because this area is shaded in the morning. I have to stop harvesting because it's getting cold. I hope you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Have a blessed day. Daikon radish.